Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see the concept behind subtraction. Last video में हमने देखा concept behind addition. वो वीडियो मैंने आई बटन में अटैच कर दिया है. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what is subtraction? It means taking away or removing objects from group or collection. Let's take an example. 45 minus 32. सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कन्वेंशनल मेथड. 45 and 32. 5 minus 2 will give us 3 and 4 minus 3 will be 1. So the answer will be 13. Now let's see what is exactly happening with the numbers. For 45 we can write it as 4 tens plus 5 ones, and for 32 we can write it as 3 tens plus 2 ones. When we subtract them, 5 ones minus 2 ones will be 3 ones, and 4 tens minus 3 tens will be 1 tens, and the number will be 13. Now let's see this question in abacus model. For number 45, in one square there will be 5 beads, and in tens wire there will be 4 beads, minus for 32 in one wire there will be 2 beads, and in tens wire there will be 3 beads. In one wire from 5 beads, when we take away 2 beads, what do we left with? We will be left with 3 beads in one wire, and in tens wire from 4 beads, when we take away 3 beads, what do we left with? 1 bead. So the answer will be 13. Now this was the example without borrow step. Now let's take an example with borrow step. Suppose we have to calculate difference between 53 and 28. सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कि कन्वेंशनल मेथड में हम ये क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. We will write 53, below it we will write 28. Now you can see that from 3 we cannot subtract 8 because we won't get any positive number. So what do we do? From 5 we will borrow 1 10. So 5 will become 4 and 3 will become 13. Now we can subtract 8 from 13. By subtracting 8 from 13 we will get 5. And in tens place, when we subtract or take away 2 from 4, we will get 25. So our answer will be 25. Now let's see what is actually happening with the numbers. For 53, we can write it as 5 tens plus 3 ones. And for 28, we can write it as 2 tens plus 8 ones. When we subtract it, we can see from 3 ones we can't take away 8 ones. So what do we do? From 5 tens we will borrow 1 tens. So we will be left with 4 tens. When we borrow 1 10 from here, these 3 will become 13. How? We borrowed 1 10 means 10 unit plus we already had 3. So that's how it became 13. And from 13 minus 8, or when we take away 8 from 13, we will be left with 5 ones. And when we take away 2 tens from 4 tens, we will be left with 2 tens. The number will be 25. Let's see this question in abacus model. In 53, in ones wire we will have 3 beads, and in tens wire we will have 5 beads. For 28, in ones wire we will have 8 beads, and in tens wire we will have 2 beads. Now here we can see we can't take away 8 beads from 3 beads. So what we will do, in tens wire we will borrow one tens bead and transfer it to the ones wire. But we know in ones wire every bead represents one unit. So one 10 bead will represent 10 1 beads here. So now we have 13 ones beads in ones wires. From 13 we can take away 8 beads. So 13 minus 8 will give us 5 beads. And in tens wire we are left with 4 beads, and when we take away 2 beads from 4 beads, we will be left with 2 beads in tens wire. So the number will be 25. So now we can understand what is actually happening here. हम 8 में से 3 को माइनस नहीं कर सकते थे, इसलिए हमने क्या किया, हमने टेंस के प्लेस से एक 10 बोरो कर लिया. एक 10 बोरो करने से 3 became 13, and now we can subtract 8 from 13. 13 minus 8 will be 5, and 4 minus 2 will be 2, and number will be 25. So that's it for the today's sessions. If you like my content and you understood the concepts, please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you.